The Mini T16 Kids drone, manufactured by SHANTOU TIANYI Intelligent Technology Co. Ltd., is a beginner-friendly quadcopter, particularly designed for children, featuring one-touch takeoff, landing, and auto-hover functions. The drone is equipped with 4 propeller protectors to ensure the safety of kids during play and has an additional headless mode function that allows the drone to quickly return to the takeoff direction, effectively reducing the probability of loss. The T16 drone offers 3 speed modes: low, mid, high, catering to kids of different skill levels and enhancing their flying experience with 3D flip and loop flight functions. The drone's blue and green LED lights create a fascinating light display, making it an excellent choice for taking to parties, school events, fishing trips, hikes, and long-distance travels. The drone includes 2 battery packs with protection against overexpansion, ensuring safe charging, and a low battery warning function to prevent crashing. With a price of $19.99 and a review score of 4 out of 5, based on 173 reviews, the Mini T16 Kids drone offers good value for money and is a popular choice, selling approximately 100 units per month.